What is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to create a pivot table and how to edit the pivot table to make the data easier to read. So, in this example, we have a bunch of dates and different representatives and the number of cars sold and their commission for those cars sold. So, if we wanted to create a pivot table for this data, we would go up to Insert, Pivot Table, and then for this example, you can always choose new worksheet. I'm just going to put it in the same worksheet so they can be side by side. And we're just going to select the data for the pivot table. And then we're going to click OK. And then our pivot table is created. And then let's just say we wanted to see the date and the commission for the data. So we basically pull down the date into the rows and then the commission into the values, and automatically it's going to sum the values for those commissions. And then let's say we just want to show the days. We're going to remove the months and we're just going to show it by day. So as you can see, this is giving you the date and then the sum of the commissions for that date. So as just a quick comparison, for 3/1, there were $5,500 in commissions. March 1st, $5,500 in commissions. So everything looks perfect with that. Now let's say we wanted to just see something a little more exact. So let's add representative to a filter. And as you can see, it adds that representative just above the pivot table. And let's say we wanted to see only the commissions for Stephanie. So we can go right into this filter and we can deselect all of them because we only want to see them for Stephanie. Click Stephanie and then click OK. And it's going to give us only the data for Stephanie. So a filter is basically showing something specific within the data. In this example, we just want to see the data for Stephanie. So it's the dates and the commissions only for Stephanie. Thank you for watching.